Here converting the second equation, that is we have divided 1000, that is here 6x plus 5y equal to 60, and here put x equal to 0, then the value of y equal to 12, and put y equal to 0, then the value of x is 10, and plot the graph, that is the first line, that is number of male, here point is 0 11, that is we have denote the point 0 11, and number of females is the point of 0 11, here we have denote the point 0 11, and join this line, that is first constant graph is x plus y less than equal to 11, and second constant 6x plus 5y less than equal to 60, that is first point is 0 10, we have denoted this point on the graph 0 10, and second point is 0 12, here we have draw the point 0 12 and join this line, then we have combined the these two line in next graph, that is 0 11 and 0 12, this point is 0 11, and next point is 0 10 to 0 12, and then we have that is this two line intersects in the point 5 6, that is optimal solution of this point is 5 6, and that is circle potential optimal point is, that is 0 10 5 6 0 11, and then substitute this optimal value in the maximize z equal to 10,000 x plus 8,500 y, that is optimal point is potential optimal point is first 0 0, that is we have put the value of 0 0 in the objective function maximize z equal to 10,000 x plus 8,500, that is then the maximum value is 0, and then next point is 0 11, we have put the potential optimal point is 0 11 in the objective function that is first is 10,000 into 0 plus 8,500, y value of y is 11 into 11, and then the here maximum value is 93,500. The next point is this optimal solution is 5 6, and we have put the value of 5 6 in the objective function, that is 10,000 value of x equal to 5 plus 8,500, the value of y equal to 6 into 6, and then the maximize z equal to 1,01,000, and next point is 10 0, we have put this value in objective function, that is 10,000 into 10 plus 8,500, value of y equal to 0, and the value of the maximized z equal to 1 lakh. That is conclusion, the maximum total return is about rupees 1,01,000 by adopting 5 male workers and 6 female workers. Hence, optimal solution of linear programming problem is number of workers is 5, number of female workers is 6, and maximize z equal to 1,01,000. Good morning. In this lecture, solve the graphical solution for the linear programming problem. First, we have seen the example, formulate the problem. That is here objective. That is graphical solution of the linear programming problem. That is there have two decision variable, and here let number of male be x and number of female be y, and maximize z is the contribution of male member plus contribution of female members. That is maximize z equal to 10,000 x plus 8,500 y, and subject to the constraint. First is x plus y less than equal to 11, and 600 x plus 500 y less than equal to 6,000. That is subject to constraint x plus y less than equal to 11, and 6,000 x plus 5,000 y less than equal to 6,000 is second constraint. And step second is the constraint the graph. Let number of male of workers x be horizontal. That is we draw the perpendicular line, that is male is the number of workers and y is the number of female by vertical axis, and number of male workers be on horizontal axis, and number of y is the female workers by vertical axis. Then plot the constraint. Here to plot the constraint we will optimize then arbitrary value to the variable, as that is first variable is x plus y less than equal to 11. That is we have convert as x plus y equal to 11, and first we have consider x equal to 0, then we have put the value of x equal to 0, then x will be 0, and here y equal to 11, and again repeat this procedure. Then variable of y equal to consider 0, and then x equal to 11, and again we have converting this second constraint, that is 600 x plus 6,000 x plus 5,000 y less than equal to 60,000, and we have converting as that is here 6,000 x plus 5,000 y less than equal to 60,000, and here dividing by 1,000 here, that is 6x plus 5y equal to 60. This constraint divide 1,000, and that is 6x plus 5y less than equal to 60, and again repeat the procedure, that is here put x equal to 0, then 5 plus y equal to 60, and y equal to that is here put x equal to 0, that is 5y equal to 60, and x y equal to 10, and again put y equal to 0, and then x equal to a value of x equal to 12.